Ready? Jalea, sit down. Come on. Here we go. Look who came to school today, school today, school today. Look who came to school today, came to school on Monday. Brooklyn came to school today, school today, school today. Brooklyn came to school today, she came to school on Monday. King came to school today, school today, school today. King came to school today, he came to school on Monday. Jalea came to school today, school today, school today. Jalea came to school today, she came to school on Monday. Carter came to school today, school today, school today. Carter came to school today, he came to school on Monday. Caitlin came to school today, school today, school today. Caitlin came to school today, she came to school on Monday. James came to school today, school today, school today. James came to school today, he came to school on Monday.
Sam came to school today. School today.
School today. Miss Fan came to school today. She came to school on Monday. Cheetah came to school today. School today. School today. Miss Cheetah came to school today. She came to school on Monday. Did I say Jalea?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I was afraid I'd forgotten somebody. Good morning, everyone. How are you this morning? Good. A good weekend? Ooh, there's a big yawn over there. Somebody's not ready to get up yet. Yeah, you know what? When we get back into the school building, we're going to sing that very same song first thing in the morning. So you'll already know it. Okay, good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Kiddos, this week we are going to be talking about our families and different kinds of families. And so I would like for you to send me a picture of your family if you would. Brooklyn, I got your picture of your family already this morning, so you are on top of it. But if everybody else can send me a picture of their family, I would love that. And we'll look at your pictures. Yes?
I'll take my picture of my granny after I just get my tablet over here.
Okay, perfect. That is a perfect thing to do. You can send it to me off your tablet.
Yeah.
Take a picture of you with her, and maybe you and your mom and your granny. How about that? Okay, good deal. And you know what I need to do? I need to find a picture of my.
I got Dana.
What?
I got Dana too, and grandmother.
Perfect.
And my dad.
And when you show us your picture, then you can have a turn to tell us about it. Okay?
Even I have my dad too.
And your dad? Very good. Very good.
That'd be good.
Bring me a picture of all of them. All righty, let's take a look at our calendar. Hey, Jalea, how was your birthday?
Why?
Just a minute. I can't see Jalea's face, but I want to know how your birthday was. Did you have a cake?
Monday.
Did they sing happy birthday to you? All right.
2014.
Stop.
I still can't see Jalea.
Jalea.
And Jalea doesn't have her microphone on, so she can't tell me if she had a good birthday or not.
Monday.
Where did she go?
Today is Monday. You're right.
Tuesday.
Oh, Miss Span is so silly. I keep forgetting I have to push that play button. Come on, calendar, you can do it. There we go.
Sunday.
Okay, Monday, Tuesday.
Oh, let's do it. Hold on. This says, well, I don't know if that girl's going to say,
October.
There we go.
2020.
Let's clean up the road.
So
Let's make a calendar. Daddy,
here we go.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
Friday, Saturday. And what did we say the name of today was?
Monday.
Monday. All right. Let's tug our ears for Monday in our song. You ready? There are 7 days in the week. Name them all. Name them all. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday. Ooh, that was good singing. Good job.
Great job.
Today is Monday.
Today is
Monday,
October
October
19th,
19th, 2020. We already said today is Monday. Let's count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What goes here?
Today is 19.
What goes here?
19.
19. Very good.
Great job.
Pay attention to what they're doing. Pay attention.
And here are our special days. This was Jalea's birthday. Jalea is now 5. And tomorrow is Melanie's birthday. Tomorrow Melanie will be 5. We've already got some 5-year-olds in here.
Ready? Get that block.
All righty.
That one block.
Oh, we're going to count. Let's count. We know tomorrow is Melanie's birthday. Let's start here and count to Halloween. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days until Halloween. 12 days. All right.
18,
Mike,
19.
You at 12 days before you away.
I'm going to put some more to count. All right. There's candy. I put candy for our calendar this morning.
Come on.
Okay. There's Jalea. Did you have a good birthday? Did your mom fix you a cake? Did you have a birthday cake? Okay. All right. Did you do anything fun? She's not talking. She's nodding her head.
Nodding ahead.
Jalea, wave at everybody so they know who you are. Everybody wave and say, good morning, Jalea.
Good morning, Jalea.
Is that your birthday gift? Did you get that for your birthday? She is adorable. What's her name?
Her name is Jalea.
Just a minute. What, Jalea?
Her name is Peach.
Peach? All right. Very nice. Okay.
Somebody.
So Pete the
I
cat
got
may do
some
some
now.
talking to us later in the week, but today he
Yeah,
has
little
a-
turtle.
Oh, okay.
And it's
I'm sorry.
really alive.
You got a live turtle? Very nice. Oh, look at him. Can you put him in the bathtub? That's pretty cool. I've never seen a pink turtle. Can he swim in the bathtub?
Mommy put a battery in it. A battery.
Okay. Cool.
This one has this. Oh, this one has this shell.
Oh, I see.
Here, golden shell. Name her golden shell.
Okay.
It has a golden shell on her back.
You ready to hear
And a pink tail.
you ready to hear the story of Pete the cat now?
Don't sleep at school.
Well, Pete the cat likes to go to school, but today he is, he sang us the song about rocking in his school shoes. This is another story about his shoes. It's called I Love My White Shoes. I'm going to move this camera and see.
I love my white shoes.
This is I love my white shoes. Look at his white shoes.
I love my white shoes.
All right. I'm sorry. This is what?
The front of
Front
the
cover.
page.
Ooh, good job. This is
The
the
back of the page.
Oh,
this
good job.
is
Fine.
the spine. And do you
Spine.
remember this one?
Title.
Title page. Woo! Listen to you. Okay, there we go. This is Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes, and it says art by James Dean, the creator of Pete the Cat, and that's the man I told you that I met. And then story by Eric Litwin. That means he's the author. He's the one who made up this story. Here we go. Here comes Pete. There's Pete the Cat. All right. It says, Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. He loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. And see, look, he's thinking, love white shoes. Oh no!
White shoes.
Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries.
Strawberry.
What color did it turn his shoes? Now what color are his shoes? His shoes are red.
I love my red shoes.
Oh, you got the idea. Somebody's heard this.
Right.
Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Pete didn't worry about anything. Remember, was he scared in the lunchroom? Goodness no. Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song, and he's thinking everything is cool. And what does he say now? I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. And there's the word red. See how it's big and red? R-E-D spells red. Okay. Oh no!
Oh no!
Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color shoes did it? What color did it turn his shoes? Blue. Wait a minute. Did Pete cry? How do we say it? Goodness no. He kept walking and singing his song, and he says, awesome. Maybe he likes having shoes the same color as his fur. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes.
I love my blue shoes.
Here's the word blue. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes?
Black.
In mud, brown. Did Pete? Wait a minute. Did Pete cry? Goodness no.
No.
He kept walking along and singing his song. And look, now he says groovy. Groovy means he thinks it's all right.
Right.
Now he says, I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. And here's the word brown. Did you see that? That's the word brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. And you know what Pete is doing in this picture? He's doing one of my favorite things. He's drinking coffee.
That is the stick I think.
Oh no! Pete Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown and all the blue and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again?
White.
White. You got it. You got it. White. His shoes are white again. That word says white, but now they were all wet. Did Pete cry? Say it. Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. And he said, this time he said, rock and roll. He's got his banjo and he's singing, I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. And that big word is wet right here. That's wet. And then look, his shoes are saying, squeak, 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 because they're so wet. Okay. I got just a little bit more to read. You ready? The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Oh, look. He's got one white, one blue, one brown, and one red. He's got all the colors. And then here's what Pete says. Pete says, it's all good. Say that. It's all good. Yeah. The end. I like Pete a lot. All right, because it's all good. Okay, my friends, let's do our question of the day. Can we do that? No, it's time for us to go. Let's go ahead and say goodbye, and we'll get question of the day at our next meeting. What? What's wrong? Okay, so it's time for us to say love you and goodbye. Shall we sing the fish to wave goodbye?
Yeah.
All right. One little fish swimming in the sea, splishing and a splashing, rocking to the beat. Here comes another fish. Whoops, let's go. Two little fish swimming in a row. Two little fish swimming in the sea, splishing and a splashing, rocking to the beat. Here comes another fish. Whoops, let's go. Three little fish swimming in a row. Three little fish swimming in the sea, splishing and a splashing, rocking to the beat. Here comes another fish. Whoops, let's go. Four little fish swimming in a row. Four little fish swimming in the sea, splishing and a splashing, rocking to the beat. Here comes another fish. Whoops, let's go. Five little fish swimming in a row. Five little fish swimming in the sea, splishing and a splashing, rocking to the beat. Five little fish swimming in a row. Let's say goodbye, because whoops, they gotta go. All right, my friends, love you. I'll see you at 9:50. 9:50. Love you. Bye, Carter. Bye, James. Bye, Julia. Bye, James. Bye, Brooke. Bye, Carter. Have a good morning. I'll see you at 9:50.
9:50.
Bye-bye.